know, right? It's getting busier.
Okay. This is about my 10th.
We got photos. There we go. Necklace and stuff. Oh, they're not out yet, so I'll do another post. And then we got cookies, desserts, ooh, bagels, jams. Not the McDonald's. That's not with them. And this one, the No Bolt Shop. Old beans. Ooh, breads. You got that. Got that. So it is stacking up in her. Got that. Oh, that's fun. And we got that little stuff.
It's just my life today.
There we go. You did the 99%. You made it here. That's what counts. Oh, got Mary Kay in here. Whoa. Are those on metal?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, thanks, man. I love how they pop.
So, yeah. No, I'm just posting this up on all the forums. So I did one earlier, but now there's more. So I'm kind of updating it consistently. So, keychains, little guys. Eduardo, got the little snake dude. Oh, cute little animals up there. Got little coffins. This is against the Christmas. That's awesome.
Yeah, and I got fairy stuff too. I kind of run the whole gambit.
That's fun. I love that.
And I have brown Santas.
Brown
Not everybody has brown people. I have brown people.
There we go. Then little cute designs on the cups. There's that. Bedazzled up. And more tasty treats. Still waiting for a little bit of the others, but Fat Man's Bread. That is awesome. Homemade dog treats. Oh, okay, so that's what's going there. Doggy stuff.